Zomato, founded in 2008 by Dibender Goyal and Pankaj at Gurugram, India. The business are food delivery, dining out services, and Hypercure. Food delivery business is a platform to search and find restaurants to order food delivery. Dine out services is a to discover restaurants to book a table and make payments for dining out at restaurants. Hypercure is to supply high quality ingredients and kitchen products to restaurants. Listed pair for Zomato? No. The achievement of Zomato, according to Redseer, during financial year 21, 32.1 million average monthly active user visited Zomato platform in India. As of December 31, 2020, a strong footprint across 23 countries with 131,233 active food delivery restaurants, 161,637 active delivery partners, and an average monthly food order of 10.7 million customers. In January 2020, Uber announced that it had sold the Indian business of Uber Eats to Zomato for a 9.9 stack. Zomato Pro is an initiative from Zomato as a customer loyalty program. Zomato is funded by a total of 25 investors. As of July 6, 2021, the company has 74 shareholders. During pre-IPO round in February 2021, company raised $250 million, which made the company valuation to $5 billion company. This IPO likely to value the Zomato company to close to a $9 billion company. Company financial analysis. Financial 2018, company made a revenue of 487 and a loss of 107. In financial 2019, company made a revenue of 1312 crores and a loss of 1010 crores. In financial 2021, company made a revenue of 2600 crores and made a loss of 2385 crores. In financial 2021, company made a revenue of 1993 crores and a loss of 816 crores. IPO bid opening date July 14, 2021 and IPO bid closing date July 16, 2021. Face value rupees 1 per equity share. IPO price rupees 72 to 76 per equity share. Market lot 195 shares. Issue size 9,375 crore. Fresh issue 9,000 crores. Offer for sale 375 crores. Allotment for retailers is 10% and minimum size of 1 lot with a value of 14,820 and maximum 13 lots with 1,92,660. IPO opening date July 14, closing date July 16, allotment date July 22 and credit to listing date July 27. This is 27th public issue in calendar year 2021 so far. Quota allocated is retail buyers up to 10%, qualified institutional buyers 75%, non-institutional buyers 15%. Company allocating employee reservation at 65 lakh shares. Objective of the issue is funding organic and inorganic growth initiative of 6,750 crores and general Zomato company. What are the positive factors? If the company service available in 23 plus countries, its consumer brand is reached even to small towns of India, doing delivery service in the evergreen food restaurant industries, having a huge delivery network, efficiently using the latest technology like mobile application to connect the restaurants and consumers. What are the challenges with it's like if you see the company revenues historically it's making losses and it's very important to make the turnaround the company to make a positive cash flow and make the company a profit one. And I do see stiff competition from local players who doing business very efficiently. Any network or system failure to end users could affect the business. I have to value the company based on future growth. I have some ideas like this is as an idea. This is a great idea which was turned into a good is a big company. Maybe this idea is inspired from Mumbai Dappawala. I do see two challenges here. One is turning around the losses to a positive cash flow and profit making company. Second, the company always has to depend on customer order, volume of customer order and restaurant food quality. Whether am I applying this Zomato IPO, I am yet to decide.